Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install Tilix on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos like this, where I show you how to install different software on a Chromebook and on Windows, please subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to the video. The first thing I need to do is enable the Linux development environment. So to do that, I'm going to go over to the launcher here, and I'm going to search for my settings. And I'll click on my settings. And on the left-hand side of my settings, I have advanced here. I'm going to click to expand that tab, and I'm going to go on down to developers and click on that. From here, I can turn on the Linux development environment by clicking turn on. This will bring up a setup wizard, and I'll start to go through it. So I'm going to click next, and it's going to give me a username, and that's based off my email. Now this can't be changed later, I don't believe. So you want to pick a username that you definitely want. And then it's also going to give me a recommended disk size. I'm going to keep both as is and click install. And that's going to take a few minutes to go ahead and install. So I'll come on back once that's done. Once you turn on the Linux development environment, a terminal will pop up. I can close my settings here. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font so you can see what I'm doing. And I want to make sure everything is up to date. And I can do that by typing sudo apt-get update, and then 2 ampersands for and, sudo apt-get dist upgrade. And I'll do a -y to say yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. Now that the Linux development environment is enabled, we can go ahead and install Tilix. To do that, type sudo apt-get install Tilix and press enter. It's going to ask to use some additional space. I'm going to confirm with Y and enter. Okay, once that's run through, I'm going to go over to my launcher over here, and I'm going to click on the launcher, and let's go down to my Linux apps, and we see that we have the Tilix icon there. If you can't find it there, you can always search for it. I'm going to right click and pin to the shelf, and then click to open. Okay, and the Tilix terminal emulator is open. If you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you.